All right, when we're setting up our 5V valley for our Barrel-Vault direct to deck, you have a couple different options how to tie in the bird stop. So first we're just going to go ahead and bring our 1x4s even to where our edge of our valley is going to be. Put that underlayment over the top like we already showed on the eave layout. Now the first option is going to go ahead and bring in your 5V valley. Make sure we're overhanging 3/4 of an inch minimum over our eave line. And we can also go ahead and use a valley extension if we decide to do that instead, where we can simply add the valley extension, and now you'll only see the stone coat coming over the edges. Alright, so we're going to show just using the 5V here today. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and bring our valley, so it's 3/4 inch overhanging each side. Now the first option you can do is go ahead and do a cut and bend. As you can see here with our bird stop, find the edge of my valley, go ahead and fold this underneath and go ahead and cut that. And then we can go ahead and install that. Just like so. And you can see I got my valley overhanging, I got a space so the water can flow out, and you can see I'm flashed all the way to the inside corner. So we can go ahead and do that one. The other option is to go ahead and grab your bird stop, and we're going to go ahead and just bring it to the edge of my valley metal. And underneath, what we can do is go ahead and take my 3.5 inch fascia piece, and we're just going to refold that, make it a little bit smaller since I'm going to have the valley here without the 1x4. And then I can go ahead and put that in so it goes into my inside corner, and then just make sure I'm overlapping 2 inches, and then come over and butt to my valley metal here. And then of course we're going to use our washer screws for our valley pan. Now the one thing you got to keep in mind, if I'm going to go this route, you can see here once I bring my valley panels over, I'm still going to have that bird stop covering up so the birds don't go underneath. So here I'm not going to have that. So what we can do is just take a piece and go ahead and cut an extra piece of that bird stop. And now I can go ahead and just go and do my stitch screws and put that inside here. So now over my valley pan I'll still have that bird stop so the birds can't get underneath my panels.